We have like 20 kilometers per hour, and I take the key out. The car is not stopped, and I threw it out of the freaking window. Oh my gosh! The car is still. You can drive the freaking car without a freaking key. You see? What the heck? What's up, everybody? I'm Gabi Cătuț with your another type of mother trucker video, and today I want to make something else. It's car related, so yeah. I want to try. I want to do a video type like what happened if your key is thrown out of the freaking window. You know, your kid is thrown up, or I don't know, your girlfriend, your stupid friend, or I don't know, it's happened somehow, and your key is get out of the freaking window till you drive the freaking car. So yeah, this is it. This is the video. I want to do it today. So yeah, we are in a nice location. I say we are in the freaking nature. It's nice. It's not that much green because it's not rain too much here, and yeah, everything is yellow. It's not green. So yeah, we are safe because it's not a public road or something. If something is going wrong, so yeah, I think it's the best place to shoot this video and be safe in the same time, you know. I'm sorry about the wind. If we have some wind, I have a mic with some protection for the wind, but I'm not sure how good it is. So yeah, I'm gonna jump in the freaking car, and yeah, while I am driving, I gonna take the key and throw it to the freaking window. So yeah, let's hop in the car and see what the heck is happened if your key is get out of the freaking window till you drive the freaking car. So yeah, let's do that. Okay guys, we are inside of the freaking car. I'm not sure how good you see inside of the car, but I think you are good. I make some tests, and yeah, everything looks nice for me. Yeah, I'm not gonna put the seat belt, but yeah, here we have the freaking key, and I'm gonna start drive and take it from here. I hope to not lost my freaking key, car key. I have another one, but I don't want to lose that because I'm gonna lose some freaking money. So yeah, I don't want that to happen. So yeah, let's drive. Oh, just like that. Okay, and I'm gonna speed up a little bit, like 20 or something. Oh yeah. Shut up. So yeah, we have like 20 kilometers per hour, and I take the key out. The car is not stopped, and I threw it out of the freaking window. Oh my gosh! The car is still. You can drive the freaking car without a freaking key. You see? What the heck? Oh, I need to shut out the freaking windows because it's a lot of dust. And yeah, the car is still work. It's function. You see that? So yeah, let's go back and find the freaking key. I don't know where the throw out, but maybe I will find it. And I don't remember the place where I throw it up, but yeah, let me find the key, and we gonna go from there. Bro, where is my freaking key? No, it's not. Oh, look at it. My freaking key. So yeah, look at the key. and there is the freaking car is still working. It's worked perfectly, and yeah, he screamed a little bit. He makes some freaking noise when I jump out from the car, because I think he screamed for the freaking key. I don't check the dashboard to see the error or the code, but I think he screamed for the freaking mother trucker key. So yeah, let's go inside. He still scream? Yeah. Yeah, you see? Key card not detected. You see that? So yeah, if your car is keyless or something, you know, or this type of the key like a cartel, and you have a spot to put it, this is what happened. Yeah, I gonna let the freaking key like, I don't know, let me put it like here, and I gonna jump back in the freaking car. Okay, like that. And let's try to stop the car to see if it stopped without the key or not. No key card, press and hold. Okay. I can't stop my car, you see? Nothing happened. Oh! Oh my gosh, I stopped the car. And if I don't find the freaking key, you see, but everything, the dashboard, everything is, what the heck? And now you can't start it. Please insert the key card. Okay, so if you press a lot on the start-stop button, the car is gonna stop. But don't do that. If you lost your key, don't stop the freaking car. You know. So it's not gonna run forever till you remain out of the freaking gas. But if you want to do that, you can stop it. Or I don't know, you can put it in the speed and force it a little bit to shut off the freaking engine. So yeah, if your key is lost, or I don't know, or if someone throw out of the freaking window, it's actually nothing happened. Your car is still work, but you need to be very careful to not shoot down the freaking engine. If you do that, it's gonna be a problem because it's not gonna start again. So yeah, you are in a bad spot, in a bad situation if that is happen. But yeah, you can get to a service if you don't shut the freaking engine, get home and get the second key, and yeah, it's manageable. You know, you can fix it if you don't stop the freaking engine. So yeah, don't lose your key. You can go at, I don't know, at the oil station and put gas inside, and I don't know, you lost it inside the gas station, or yeah, this can happen. If it's keyless and your engine is run, you know, you can jump back in the freaking car and yeah, lost your key, forget about it. So yeah, you drive and you don't have the freaking key, so the car is gonna work, it's gonna function till to shut down the freaking engine. If you do that, you are in a bad spot, bad situation. So yeah, I think this was the freaking video for today. This is what happened if your keys get through of the freaking window, then you drive the freaking car, or you lost it. You know. So yeah, enjoy yourself, enjoy your freaking day, and I catch you to the next video. Maybe more, I don't know what is gonna happen. Maybe I gonna have for you some review for cars or something, I don't know, maybe kinda. Let's see what happened with this freaking video. So yeah, like I say, enjoy yourself, enjoy your freaking day. Don't forget to subscribe. It's very important. If you are new, just subscribe to the freaking channel with the freaking bell to get notified every time I post a new video. On this channel I make a lot of gaming, but yeah, I like to do this type of the freaking video, you know. I like the cars. I think every boy like the freaking cars. So yeah, if I gonna have the occasion to record more cars, I gonna do it without dubs. So yeah, this is it. I catch you to the next freaking video. Subscribe, like, and share. Enjoy your freaking day, and bye bye.